Welcome to Raw Perfect classes. Today's topic is Standard Library. It includes graphical user interface, web frameworks, multimedia, databases, networking, test frameworks, automation, web scraping, documentation, system administration, scientific computing, text processing, image processing, and symbolic maths, etc. Now next is what are the types of Python? There are mainly four types of Python: C Python, PyPy Python, stackless Python, micro Python, and circuit Python. In C Python, it is a reference implementation. It is written in C. It converts Python in bytecode, which is run by its virtual machine. A big standard library is embedded in C Python. It is available for all Windows and Unix operating system. Second, PyPy. It is fastest running Python 2.7 and 3.5's interpreter. It includes just-in-time compiler. By this, speed of code is very fast as compared to C Python. Third, stackless Python. It is useful for massive concurrent programs. And fourth is micro Python and circuit Python. It is changeable form of Python 3. It is useful for microcontroller. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for further